Hello, my good followers. So, customer brought this Nokia phone that the zero hash naira is not working. So, I now want to show you what I did there. So, as you can see, this is your good engineer. So, let me show you the jumper way. This Nokia phone you are seeing here, I've already worked the 4, 5, 6 button before, but now you now return it again that the hash zero naira is not working. So let me show you how I'm going to. So I now place my meter, as you can see on your screen. This meter I now use to read these buttons you are looking in your screen. So when I place the meter here, this one read, and the center one doesn't read. These 3 dots, it does not read. So then I've already fixed one before, and I say I should do the video of this one. Let me zoom the camera so that you can see it very well. If you see your screen, so you have to count it. Mind is checking. This IC is for button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5 is the connection of the star zero hash. The center, the center one. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the downside, not the upside, or the downside. So let me connect it. If I connect it, I will show you. I'm coming. So if you can look your screen, so you will see where the connection goes. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now place it at the center of the button at start area. I now pass the wire through here. Check your screen. So come to this center. This is what I'm talking about. So because these 3 buttons connect to each other, these 3 buttons. So if you give it a try, it's going to work 100%. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell. So thank you so much.